Welcome to IACE. Today we are going to discuss 18th March 2020 Shift 3 reasoning paper. Take a first question. Question number 1. Select the option in which the given figure is embedded. Here rotation is not allowed. Friends, what the meaning of embedded figure means? Embedding figure or hidden figure. So, the given figure is hidden in which of the following 4 options. But the given condition is what? Rotation is not allowed. That means we are not going to rotate. Suppose friends, take here, the given shape is like this and here like this shape, which of the following figure is hidden. Suppose once if you are going to observe here diagram 1 and friends, once see here diagram 1. Here in diagram 1, this type of shape is hidden or not? Yes. That means here only answer is what? Diagram 1 itself, the given figure is hidden. So answer is what? Option A. So question number 1, answer is option A. Question number 2, select the option figure that can replace the question mark in the following series. Yes. Now we are going to replace this question mark. Friends, once if you are going to observe here, this one, the shading is rotating 90 degrees anti-clockwise. 90 degrees anti-clockwise. At the starting it should be like this, again should be like this, that means here 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Next time it is like this, next time it should be like this, that means now the shading is downside. This shading is downside means which options are there? B is there, definite spot, C also there. Now friends, take care, while rotating this shading should be downside means now this shading should be downside, that means here that empty space, next one is what? Here this shading place should be there. So first one is what? Empty, after that shading should be there. So which are the following option is there means option B is there. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 2, answer is what? Option B. Here logic is 90 degrees anti-clockwise rotation. Question number 3, in a certain code language sum is written as 62. SUM, sum is written as 62. Next one, part is coded as 66, pivot part is coded as 66, then how will be Hulk, Hulk is to be coded as. Suppose friends, take here what the logic. Friends, for this type of questions we are having hardly two logics, and one is sum of the face values, otherwise opposite letters face value. Sum of face value means it will not come, go for opposite letters. S opposite is what? H. Now U opposite is what? F. M opposite is what? N. Friends, H face value 8, F face value is what? 6, N face value is what? 14. Friends, 14 plus 6 is what? 28, 20 plus 8 is what? 28. 28, next, plus, next, friends, see here, sum having how many letters here? 3 letters, 28 plus 3. 28 plus 3 is what? 31 into 2. 31 into 2 is what? 62. That means here logic is what? Sum of the opposite letter face value, sum of the opposite letter face value plus number of letters into 200. Same manner. Suppose check here, part P opposite K, O opposite L, T opposite G. Friends, K face value 11, L is what? 12, G is what? 7. Now, so 28, next 27, next one is what? 29, 30. Now, sum is how much here? 30 plus sum of the opposite letter face value plus number of letters. Part having how many letters here? 3. That means total is what? 33 into 2. 33 into 2 is what? 66. In the same manner given one, H. Friends, H opposite is what? S, and S face value 19. Now U opposite is what? F face value is what? Here 6. L opposite is what? O face value is 15. K opposite is what? P face value is what? 16. Now sum is how much here? Friends, here 12. Next one is 21. Next one is what? 26. Now 4. Next one is what? 56. Now friends, here Hulk having total 4 letters. Now 56 plus 4 is what? Here 60. 60 into 2 is what? Here 120. So answer is what? Option C. Remember, here logic is opposite letter face value plus number of letters then into 2. Question number 4. 4 letter clusters have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Select the different one. So out of given 4 options, 3 options are same, 1 is different. So which one is the different? Now take first one. Friends, L and M logic is what? Plus 1. M and H logic is what? Here minus 5. Next, U and V logic is what? Here plus 1. V and S logic is what? V is 22, S is 19. Then this one is minus 3. Next one, H and I logic is what? Here plus 1. Next I and F logic is what? I is 9, F is 6, minus 3. Next Y and Z logic is what? Plus 1. Z and W, Z is what? 26, W is what? 23. Then this one is what? Minus 3. So which of the following is different one means? Answer is what? Option A. Y means here logic is from first letter to second letter plus 1, second to third letter minus 3, except option A. Question number 5. If A is the sister of B, friends, here they given A is sister of B, leave it. C is the father of D, C is father of D. L is the paternal uncle of D and paternal uncle means what? Paternal means what? Father side. Now L is the paternal uncle of D. That means here D having father, this father brother is what? Here L. So L is the paternal uncle of D. Next, and B is the sister of L. B is the sister of L. Then how is A is related to D? How A is related to D means what? Aunt. Otherwise paternal aunt. So answer is what? Paternal aunt. Answer is option B. Question number 6. Select the number that can replace the question mark in the following series. Friends, here the given series is 2, 7, 23, 72, 220, question mark. Friends, once observe here what the logic. Friends, 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 into 3 is what? 6. 6 plus 1 is what? 7. Now 7 into 3 is what? 21 plus 2 is what? 22. That means here logic is what? Into 3 plus 1, into 3 plus 2, into 3 plus 3 and so on. Now next one. 22 into 3, 69 plus 3 is what? 72. Next one. 72 into 4, next one is what? Here. Sorry. Into 3 only. Logic is what? Here. Into 3 only. 72 into 3, next one is what? Here. Plus 4. 72 into 3 is what? Here. 216 plus 4 is what? Here. 220. Next one. 220 into 3 is what? Here. 660. Plus 5, total is what? 665. So answer is what? Option C. Friends, here logic is into 3 plus 1, into 3 plus 2 and so on. Question number 7. Select the option that is related to the third word in the same way the second word is related to the first word. Needle is related to sew in the same manner agar is related to. Friends, here needle is related to sew. What the meaning of sew is what? To repair the cloth. Otherwise stitching the cloth. So we are going to use needle is for stitching purpose. Sew means what? To stitch the cloths. The same manner, agar means what? To drill the something wood or anything. So here agar means drill. That means here meaning is what? Bore. So agar is meaning is drilling. So where we are going to drill means here for bore purpose we are going to drill. So answer is what? Bore. Option D is the answer. So here meaning is a needle we are going to use for sew. What the meaning of sew means what? For stitching purpose, for stitching the cloth. The same manner agar we are going to use for drilling purpose. Where we are going to do drill means in bore. Question number 8. Select the correct combination of mathematical signs to replace the A sequentially and balance the following equation. For this type of question, simply go through the options and take first option 16 here. A means what? Into 8. Next again equal to 6 minus 3 divided by 4. Friends, this one there is no chance to get equivalent. Why means here there is chance to get fraction. Here we are going to get exact value. So first option no chance. Go for second option 16 divided by 8. Next one is what? Into 6 equal to. Next one is what? Here 3 minus 4. Friends, here we are going to get positive value, here negative value, no chance. Go for next option 16 divided by 8. Next one into 6 equal to 3 into 4 and 3 into 4. For this one is what? 16 by 8 means what? 2. 2 into 6 is what? 12. 3 into 4 is what? 12. That means by substituting option C we are going to get LHS equal to RHS. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 9. Select the option in which the numbers share the same relationship as that shared by the given number pair. So here the given number pair is what? 50 is related to 357. So friends, here logic is what? 50 into 7 is what? Here 350. Plus 7 is what? Here 357. That means logic is what? Into 7 plus 7. Which of the following is there? Friends, suppose friends take here 18 into 7. 18 into 7. 18 into 7 is what? Here 126. 126 plus 7 is what? 113. So answer is what? Option A only. So your logic is what? Into 7 plus 7. Question number 10. 4 words have been given out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Select the different one. So friends, take a stage. Next one is what? Larva. Larva means meaning is what? An immature form of a insects. Immature form of a insects. Next one. Nymph. Nymph also meaning is what? An immature form of a insects. Next one. Foal. What the meaning of foal means what? Small hearts. This one is what? Here. Small heart. That means this is one of the stages in the hearts. That means here larva and nymph. Next one is what? Foal. These are the different stages and these are the different stages in while animal growing. But here stage is the different. So answer is what? Stage. Why means remaining 3 are the different stages in the animals. Question number 11. The 6 faces of a dice have been marked with letters A, B, C, D, E and F. If A is adjacent to B, C and E. Suppose friends take here die. Dice have total 6 faces. Suppose take this one is what? A. For A, B adjacent, C adjacent, F also, next E also adjacent. Next remain, what are the 2 letters? Remain 2 letters are here D and F. Maybe D and F is what? If C is right means D or F is left side. If A is front means back side is what? D or F. That means these 2 are adjacent. So friends, if it is a folding form of a die means only 3 faces are visible and suppose if I are going to take your cube, suppose take your cube. Friends, the given is what? Here. For A, take here. For A, B adjacent, C adjacent, next one is what? E also adjacent. That means remaining is what? Here D or F. So this one is what? F or D, this one is what? Here D or F. That means friends take here, here front is what? A, back is what? Maybe D or F, maybe D or F. Suppose take first one. So our requirement is what? Which of the following statement is true? First one, A is adjacent to D. A adjacent to D chance. Next A is opposite to D also chance. So first one no chance. Second one, A adjacent to F. We don't know. A adjacent to F, otherwise A is opposite to F also. Next one, B adjacent to E. Friends here, B adjacent to E. Here B and E are opposite, no chance. Then last one is for D adjacent to F. Compulsory D and F are adjacent. Here D is left side means now here F is here back side. If F is back side means then D is left side. That means here D and F there is chance to get these 2 are adjacent. That means here last statement is true. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 12. How many squares are there in the following figure? Number of squares and suppose take this part. Friends, for this, if this is number of squares means apply the elimination method. Now here in a column we are having 5, row we are having 3, 5 into 3. Next column we are having 4, row we are having 2, 4 into 2. Column we are having 3, row 1. That means here 3 into 1. That means only for this part and only for this part how many is there? 15, next 8, next one is part here 3. Total is what? Here 11, 26 and that means only for this part we are having 26. Next take next one here 26. Next take this remaining part and here don't apply cancelation method. Why means here some gaps are there. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here 15 is there. Next friends, once if you are going to observe here 10, 13, 14, next one is 11 is 1 square, this one is 1 square, this one also 1 square, 2, this one is 1 square, 3, this one is 1, 4, this one is 1, 5, now this one is 1, 6, next this entire one is 1, that means here we are going to get 7 extra. Now 26 plus 15, total is what? 41 plus 7, answer is what? 48, answer is option C. Question number 13, study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark. Now we are going to replace question mark and suppose friends what the logic here? 4, 6, 26, how? Friends 4 square is what? 16, 6 square is what? 36, total is what? Here 52. 52 by 2, 52 by 2 is what? 26, yes. That means logic is what? Square of these two numbers by 2 equal to resultant number. Suppose check this part, 7 square is what? 49. Next 1 square is what? 1, total is what? 50, 50 by 2 is what? 25. In the same manner, given one is what? 5 square. 5 square is what? 25. 3 square is what? 9. Total is what? 34 by 2 is what? Here 17. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 14. Arrange the given words in the logical and meaningful order. So the given words are sun, asteroid, planet, galaxy. So friends, here take a bigger size to smaller size or smaller size to bigger size. So out of given 4, which one is having the largest size means first one is what? Galaxy. Friends, after galaxy, next largest size is, next one is sun. So with 4-1, we are having the 2 options. Next, after sun, next one is what? Planet, next one is what? Asteroid. Yes. So that means here 4-1-3-2, answer is what? Option A. We are going to arranging the sizes in the descending order. First largest one is galaxy, after largest one, next second largest one is what? Sun, next one is what? Planet, next one is what? Asteroid. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 15. Select the combination of letters that when sequentially placed in the blanks of the given letter series will complete the series. Friends, for this type of question, simply go through the options. Suppose substitute the option Z, Z, next, N, next, Z, 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 next one is what? N, Z, next one is what? M, Z, N. Friends, once observe here, any sequence is repeating or not? Z, Z, M, N, O. Once take here, Z, Z, M, N, O. Next again, Z, N. Yes, friends, take here. Z, Z, M, N, O, Z, N. Z, Z, M, N, O, Z, N. Next one is what? Z, Z, M. That means here, sequence is repeating or not? Z, Z, M, N, O, Z, N. Z, Z, M, N, O, Z, N. Yes, sequence is repeating. So, answer is what? Option A. By substituting option A, we are getting one sequence is repeating. Question number 16. 4 number pairs have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner, 1 is different. Select the different one. So, the given is what? 198 is written as 981. So, friends, here logic is first middle digit, next last digit, next one is what? First digit. Take next one, 132 is related to 321. First one is what? Middle digit. Next second one is what? Last digit. Next one is what? First digit. Go for next one here. 246 and 246 is related to 426. Last one is what? 954 is related to 549. First middle digit. Next last digit. Next one is first digit. Yes. This is also following the same pattern. First middle digit. Next one, next digit, last digit, and but here they given first digit. So this is the wrong number. So answer is what? Option C is the different one. Why means remaining 3 are following the 198. First they are taking second digit, next third digit, next first digit. But in this case, it is not following that pattern. So option C is the different one. Question number 17. Select the option in which the numbers are related in the same way the numbers in the given set. So here the given is what? 12, 96, next one is what? Here 8. Friends, 12 into 8 is what? 96. So which are the following having same logic as given one? That means multiplication of first number with last number equal to middle number. Suppose take first option, 7 into 9 is what? 63. Yes, first option only having the logic, what are the logic followed by given side. So first number multiplied with last number. So option A having the same logic. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 18. Select the option in which the words share the same relationship that are shared by the given pair of words. Here cow is related to Bairi. What the meaning of Bairi means what? Here cow shed, where cow can able to live. So here Bairi means what? Cow shed. In the same manner, here wall. What the meaning? Here wall shed name is what? Barn. So answer is what? Option A. So here cow shed name is what? Bairi. In the same manner, wall resting place is what? Barn. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 19. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure. Friends, here they kept mirror is right side. Remember, if it is a mirror image, left is right and right is left. It is like this means mirror image should be like this, and this dot should be right side, arrow should be left side. Which are the following options is there? Here top and bottom they given, here also no chance. Then answer is what? Option C. Question number 19. Answer is option C. Question number 20. The sequence of folding a paper and the manner in which the folded paper has been cut is shown in the following figure. How would this paper will look when it is unfolded? Friend, this one is our actual paper. It is divided into two parts. Right is folded to left. We are having only left part. Again divided into two parts. Top is folded to bottom. We are having only bottom part. Now friends, in bottom part here they given one right angle, one arrow. So folding is from top to bottom, is unfolding is from bottom to top. That means this arrow will be like this. Now this one is top to bottom, is now this should be like this. One check here. Here they given right angles both are same, no chance. Here also they given same, no chance. Next here also right angles both are same, they given no chance. Why means if top is bottom to top, if you unfolding means right angle is going to invert. Yes, here it is inverting. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 20. Option C is the answer. Question 21. Select the option that is related to the third letter cluster in the same way second letter is related to the first letter. Suppose friends take here given one. CALH is related to GANF. Then how BUPO is related to? Friends, here logic is C and G logic is part here plus 4. Next E and A logic is part here minus 4 and minus 4. E is part 5. 5 minus 4 is part 1. That means here A. Next L and N logic is part plus 2. H and F minus 2. That means logic is part plus 4 minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. Then plus 4 minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. B plus 4. B is part 2 plus 4 6. 6 means part F. So with F how many options are there? One option. So answer is part option C. Otherwise U minus 4. 21 minus 4 is part here 17. 17 means part Q. P 16 plus 2 18 R. O 15 minus 2 is part 13. 13 means part M. So answer is part option C. Question number 22. Here the again question is from Silax. Our requirement is what? Which are the following conclusions are logically follows from the given statements? Take here given statement. Some buns are tarts. Friends, take here. Some part of B is a tea. Next one. All tarts are pastries. Now all tea is a P. Next, all pastries are bread. This one is what? Bun. Now all pastries are, this one is a bread end. Now take your first conclusion. Some breads are bun. Some part of bread is mixed with here bun. Yes, first one is true. Second one, some pastries are bun. Some part of pastry is mixed with here bun. Yes, second one also true. Third one, some tarts are bun. Some part of tea is mixed with here bun. Yes, this one also true. Next one, some buns are bread. Some part of bun is mixed with here bread. Yes, that means here answer is what? All are true. All are true means answer is option C. Question number 23. In a certain code language, jacket, J-A-C-K-E-T, jacket is written as M-E-H-Q-L-B. Then how blazer is written as? Friends, here logic is part, J and M logic is part plus 3. Next one, A and D logic is part plus 4. C and H plus 5. This one is part plus 6. This one is plus 7. This one is part plus 8. T is 20. 20 plus 8, 28. We are having only 26 alphabet. That means remaining is what? 2. 2 means what? B. So your logic is what? Plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 and so on. Then given one is what? Blazer. B-L-A-Z-A-R. Friends, B plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8. B is 2, plus 3 is what? 5. 5 means what? E. Next one, L is 12, plus 4 is what? 16. That means here P. With EP, we are having only one option, so answer is what? Option A. Friends, again don't solve the entire word. With EP, one option is there, option A is the answer. If you want remaining means A plus 5 is what? 6, 6 means what? F. Now Z plus 6 is what? Again F. Next E plus 7, 7 plus 5 is what? 12, 12 means what? L. Next R is what? 18 plus 8 is what? 26, Z, so answer is option A. Question number 24. Select the Venn diagram that best represents the relation between the following classes: guitar, instrument, thermometer. Now friends, take here. A guitar is different. Take friends here, guitar. Guitar is different. Next one is what? Thermometer is different, but both are instruments and both are the instrument. So answer is what? Here, option A. Question number 24. Answer is what? Option A. Guitar is the instrument. Next, thermometer also one of the instrument. So both are guitar and thermometer both are different, but both are instruments. Answer is option A.